Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to change the mobile hotspot network band in Windows 10. Switching between different network bands can help optimize your mobile hotspot's performance and connectivity. Let's dive in. Step 1. Press the Start button to open the Start menu. Step 2. From the Start menu, locate and click on the Settings option. Step 3. In the Settings window, find and click, or tap on the Network and Internet icon. Step 4. Within the Network and Internet settings, you'll see various options on the left side. Look for and click or tap on the Mobile Hotspot option. Step 5. On the Mobile Hotspot page, you'll find an option labeled Edit on the right side. Click or tap on it. Step 6. Once you click or tap on Edit, you'll see the network band options. Select either 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz, or any available network band according to your preference and compatibility. Step 7. Finally, click or tap on the Save button to apply the changes. That's it. By following these 7 simple steps, you can easily change the mobile hotspot network band in Windows 10. Switching to a specific network band can help optimize your mobile hotspot's performance based on the devices you're connecting and the available network frequencies. It's important to note that the availability of network bands may vary depending on your device's capabilities and the network environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.